You're going to learn one of the simplest methods to generate PayPal money online today. I'm going to demonstrate to you a website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for every 5 minutes of work. However, there is a catch. This would not work for people who are too lazy to watch this full video. So if you truly want to make PayPal money online, watch the entire video. You must complete all of the steps that I will demonstrate in this video since it is entirely free. For you to get paid, log in to your PayPal account, and if you don't have it yet, I will teach you how to create a free PayPal account. Simply click the sign up button right here to be taken to this web page where you may sign up for a free PayPal account. Choose a personal account and then click the next button to complete out a very simple form to sign up for a free PayPal account. Once you've set up your free PayPal account, you can now begin receiving money into your PayPal account. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. The very first step is to go and visit google.com. Regardless of the type of device you are using right now, whether it's a computer, tablet, or even a smartphone, as long as you have access with the internet connection, you're good to go. Once you're in Google and make it your first tab, because I will discuss it all in full detail step by step so that everyone can follow along with me throughout this video. Because once the video ends and you followed every step I discussed, you will be able to go out and start earning money. So for the meantime, go to google.com. The second step you'll need to perform while being on google.com is to search for the phrase Capterra. I would like you to search for this CAPTERRA and simply hit search. And then I want you to enter this first web page that states this phrase: top software at Capterra Software and software reviews. And this is what you'll see when you get on capterra.com. This is a website, a software, and a network that will pay you to write various reviews for an application software. And don't panic, you don't need to purchase that program and you don't even have to utilize it. You can get the job done in less than 5 minutes. So once again, I'll show precisely how to accomplish it in less than 5 minutes. And now, as you can see, there are over 800 various categories to choose from. So there are over 800 various categories of apps and services that you can review. And within each category, there are tons of software that you can also review. So you can review all of the products that are currently available online, and you can get paid $50 for every 5 minutes in the platform. If you stick with me, I'll teach you how to do it in under 5 minutes and how to make over $50 over and over again without having to acquire the software itself, all while demonstrating that this genuinely works and that others are earning money with this webpage. And as you can see here, that they are glad to offer over 1 million certified software reviews, and you can easily calculate how much money individuals have earned with Capterra.com. You might be asking why they would pay $50 for every few minutes you work. The answer is that the software owners or company owners are willing to spend that much money since having more 5-star ratings and positive comments builds social proof for them and allows them to make a lot of sales. As a result, it's a fantastic return on investment for them, and that is why they'll reward you $50 for less than 5 minutes of work. And for the third step, simply click on this right here where it reads Write a Review, which will lead you to this webpage where you can discover thousands of various companies and thousands of different things that you can evaluate and write a review for, as well as search for all those stuff and business names. As previously stated, when somebody wants to purchase the software or product, they will most probably go online and search to understand more about it, as well as see which customers are suggesting about the product. And if the reviews are positive, they will be more willing to purchase the said software or product. As a result, Capterra is pleased to compensate you. As you can see, you may evaluate all of these prominent goods that other experts use. These are only just a few of the most major software applications that you can review. But there are practically hundreds and thousands of more softwares about which you can write a review and earn money. As a result, there will be no lack of opportunities to profit from Capterra.com. If you are enjoying this video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you are from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. Now, if you go to explore these categories, you'll see thousands upon thousands of various categories of software programs that you can open up, with everything from business software to customer support services to information gathering software, email software, and so on and so forth. And for each of those you evaluate, you will get actual PayPal money for every review for each program. There is a lot of potential only on this page. Let's assume you want to review the Zoom Video Webinars program, but instead of just clicking on it and getting directly into writing the review, here's a pretty valuable trick that will save you a lot of time and effort. Copy the software's name and then return to Google and look for that software review. So for review, obviously search for Zoom Video Webinars reviews, and you can get all the various reviews here online, out of which you can get an insight. So I can go to this link and see how other individuals are doing it, what they had to say about it, and how they got the reviews despite not having to purchase it themselves. And of course, you can make changes a little to end up making it your own. But just don't copy and paste it, because that's obviously not going to happen. But you can have insights from their reviews and what they absolutely said about the software, which will save you a lot of time and money because you don't have to spend many hours going through the software. Knowing about it decides the benefits and drawbacks. You don't need to spend loads of money on software only to write a basic review. I'll show you a clear illustration in a moment so you can get a concept of how to spend many hours and bucks to write a review without really purchasing the product. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Now that you've learned everything, let me demonstrate to you a clear illustration of how you'll really finish the review and be compensated. So as I showed you in the start of this video, you will go to Capterra, click on Write a Review, which will lead you to this page, and then you will pick the company, product, or program you want to evaluate. In this example, I'd want to evaluate the Zoom Video Webinar program. Simply click on this and you'll be taken to the review to write a review page, where you'll need to complete out some personal information like your first name, last name, email address, and other essential information. Then it will ask you some extra questions, such as how regularly do you use this software? And I recommend you choose daily to weekly instead of monthly, or other, that will indicate that you are not using the software regularly enough and your review will most likely be rejected. So I would advise attending on a daily basis. What is your position in utilizing the program? Obviously, you are merely a user because you purchased the product, which was the first of 3 processes that we need to fulfill. Let us just continue moving on to the next one. So just click the next button here. Now you'll need to just rate the chosen software, the total value of the software. So what's the overall performance of the system? You can always go back and see what other individuals said the overall score for this one was. 5 out of 5, and trust me, the better review you write, the more beneficial the feedback is. And it is always better to give a 5-star rating if the software is truly good, based on other users' reviews. Here you can see that if it was simple to use, you may say perhaps 4 stars out of 5. And for this one, we can put 5 stars for this one. Although these are really optional. Now you can rate other characteristics. This one is also optional, but the more of them you fulfill, the higher your probability of getting money. So if you don't mind, just pick a few of these. You don't even have to complete them all. After that, you'll be able to see how the price of Zoom compares to similar systems. Then you'll be able to see whether it was much too expensive, mid-tier, or not at all. Finally, how likely are you to suggest Zoom to your friend or acquaintance? I would say 8, and for the last step is to provide your review a title. You can gather ideas from other individual reviews. For example, Zoom is still the most used platform for video calls or webinars, despite its flaws. So for example, I might state that while Zoom has shortcomings, it is still perfect for its purpose, or something along those lines. You don't want to simply copy and paste the title. You can tweak it a little bit, and since you're going to write the pros and cons, tell me what you like most about this program. You can get an insight from other people's evaluations. Just modify it up a little bit. But then this is optional. You could perhaps leave this blank, but if you answer this here as well, you have a greater chance. You understand the more forms you answer, the more information you provide to them. The more money you will end up making because more folks, more application owners will recognize your reviews. So consider trying not to leave some spaces blank at which it says optional. But complete it out and don't be lazy, okay? It will undoubtedly pay off and you will be able to determine whether or not to move from another product. You might check yes you did and then specify the program you moved from, such as Skype. As a result, I can look for the Skype app right here. I'll scroll down and simply check this box, certifying to Capterra and its affiliates that I am the person I represent. Certainly you are. If you began writing your real first name and last name, make sure to do that. And also enter your real information. After that, merely click the submit button and you are finished. All of this will take you just under 5 minutes and you will be compensated $50 for every review you made. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!